Hello, I'm Garrett, the Dirt Doctor, and you're here in my garden, backyard. And the main thing I do in life is I teach people how to do natural organic gardening. And I do it for several reasons. It's non-toxic, it's better for the environment, a lot of things like that. And those are important, but it's not the most important thing. The most important reason I teach organics is that it works better. And it's a simple process. You ask out after you get into it and you see how well it works. The most common question that I get, and you might have the same question, is why aren't the universities teaching it and why aren't more people doing it out there residentially and on farms and ranches? Well, the answer is simple. They're not doing it because they haven't learned how to do it. The universities, as I said, aren't teaching it. And as you know, they're teaching how to use the things that we don't recommend. The synthetic high nitrogen fertilizers and the toxic chemical pesticides. We teach people how to stop doing that and then start using the products that build the health of the soil. Compost, organic fertilizers, rock minerals, and sugars. Everything we do works better to build that life in the soil and give the natural way for the plants to avoid insects and diseases for the most part, insect pests and diseases. We actually build the life of beneficial insects. We will talk about the details of how to do it in later segments. And if you want more information, you can go to my website, dirtdoctor.com. I have 15 books. The most current one is the Organic Manual that has the latest recommendations that I have. And we have 2 online courses that you'll find on dirtdoctor.com. I'm Garrett, the Dirt Doctor, and I'll be back with more information for you.